Ever wondered how just a few letters like H2O or NaCl can unlock the entire story of a substance? Today, you'll learn the secret code behind every compound, writing the chemical formula of compounds. Elements combine chemically to form a compound. A set of chemical symbols present in a compound can be shown by a chemical formula. A chemical formula shows the type and number of atoms present in the compound. For instance, when oxygen and hydrogen react, water, a compound, is formed. The chemical formula H2O shows the type and the number of atoms present in the water molecule. How then do you write a chemical formula of a compound? First, write down the name of a compound, for example, water. Then, write down the chemical symbol of each element in a compound. For instance, the elements in water are hydrogen, which has the chemical symbol H, and oxygen, which has the symbol O. Write down the valence of each element on top. The valence of hydrogen is 1. The valence of oxygen is 2. Cross over the valence number of elements, then this becomes H2O, and this is a chemical symbol of water. Let's consider more examples. What is the chemical formula for aluminium chloride? We have the name of the compound, aluminium chloride. Write the chemical symbol for the elements in aluminium chloride. The symbol for aluminium is Al, and chlorine is Cl. The valence number of aluminium is 3. The valence number of choline is 1. Then we cross over the valence number of these elements, so it becomes AlCl3. This is the chemical symbol of aluminium chloride. A quick challenge. What's the chemical formula for calcium chloride? Pause the video, apply the crossover method, and comment your answer below. Another example, write the chemical symbol of magnesium oxide. The chemical symbol for elements in magnesium oxide are Mg for magnesium and O for oxygen. The valence number of magnesium is 2. The valence number of oxygen is 2. Finally, we cross over the valence number of these elements. This becomes Mg2O2. This should further be reduced to MgO by canceling the 2's. Therefore, the chemical formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. To recap, a chemical formula shows the type and number of atoms present in a compound. To write a chemical formula for a compound, first, write down the name of a compound. Write down the chemical symbol of each element in a compound. Write the valence number of each element. And finally, cross over the valence number of elements. Every chemical formula is more than just symbols. It's the mathematical fingerprint of matter, revealing how atoms bond to build everything around us. Now that you've mastered writing chemical formulas, what about compounds with radicals? In the next video, we'll uncover the tricks to handling them like a pro. Stay tuned. Stay curious.